When it comes to buying from FridayParts, there are some key things you should know before making that final decision. Today, we're diving into the 7 essential factors you need to consider before buying. And trust me, these insights will give you an edge over competitors in the market. If you're thinking about investing in FridayParts, stick around, because this will help you make the best possible decision for your needs. First off, FridayParts is one of the top competitors in the auto parts industry, known for offering a wide selection of quality car parts at competitive prices. But here's the thing, there are also several other players in the market. How does FridayParts stack up? Well, one of the biggest benefits is their extensive online catalog. If you've shopped with other companies, you know that finding the right part can sometimes be a challenge. With FridayParts, they make it incredibly easy to browse through parts for a variety of vehicles, whether it's for a foreign or domestic model. Their user-friendly website ensures you can find exactly what you need quickly. Next thing, the pricing structure is a huge factor to consider. Many auto parts suppliers offer competitive rates, but what makes FridayParts stand out is their transparent pricing. They don't hide fees or charge inflated costs. When you compare them to competitors, you'll find that their parts are priced reasonably, especially when you factor in the reliability and quality of the products. Plus, they often have promotions or discounts that make their deals even better, which isn't always the case with competitors. The third thing to note is their commitment to customer support. You'll want to make sure you're buying from a company that has your back if something goes wrong. FridayParts offers excellent customer service with responsive teams ready to help with anything from order issues to technical support. Unlike some competitors who might take days to respond, FridayParts stands out for its quick response times and knowledgeable staff. And if you need advice on installation or fitment, they can assist with that too. The fourth thing that sets FridayParts apart is their shipping policy. In this industry, timely deliveries are critical. While other suppliers may have long wait times, FridayParts ships quickly, often with free delivery options on selected orders. This means you won't be left waiting for days or weeks to receive your parts, and that's a huge advantage over some competitors that can be known for delayed shipments. Now, let's talk about the warranty. FridayParts provides warranties on their products, which gives you peace of mind when making your purchase. The reliability of their parts, backed by warranties, helps ensure you're not taking a risk when buying. Not all competitors offer this, and when you're buying auto parts, you want that safety net, especially for higher priced items. Next thing you need to know is their return policy. It's straightforward and easy, which is essential when shopping online. Some competitors make it difficult to return items if they don't fit or if they're defective. FridayParts makes the return process hassle-free, with clear guidelines and fast processing. So, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your purchase, you're covered. Finally, let's discuss reviews. FridayParts has earned a solid reputation with customers, often praised for both the quality of their parts and their overall service. When shopping for auto parts, it's important to go with a company that has a proven track record, and based on extensive customer feedback, FridayParts consistently delivers on both fronts. When you compare reviews, you'll notice that they often have better customer satisfaction ratings compared to some other suppliers, especially when it comes to their part quality and after-sales service. So, if you're considering buying from FridayParts, there's no doubt it's a strong choice. With their transparent pricing, excellent customer support, quick shipping, and a solid warranty, they stand out in the crowded auto parts marketplace. And here's the best part. If you want to try out FridayParts for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best offer they have, and you can start with a completely free trial to experience all the benefits firsthand. Don't miss out. Make your next auto part purchase with FridayParts and enjoy the exclusive perks. Click that link and get started now.